So first off, I would like to say I'm sorry for working my ass off trying to make Acceleracers content. Like, in all seriousness, the reason why I haven't been posting lately is because I've been doing a lot of editing on one specific video, which is why I've been doing YouTube Shorts lately. In the meantime, I'll have a few videos, making them in the next few weeks and posting them. But much like the Acceleracers Iceberg video, it takes a lot of editing to do this one specific video. So keep out watch for that. In the meantime, where are all the racing realms? Are they located near each other? Maybe, I don't know. But in this video, I'll explain where they are, and now I'll explain a mini theory I have. So, as humans, we see things with our eyeballs, and we don't see everything on the electromagnetic spectrum, we only see light. So when we get infrared goggles and X-ray goggles, we see things that we are not actually supposed to see. And I think that's the same concept with the legs of the world race. When the drivers travel at 300 miles per hour, they're still traveling on Earth, but they're traveling in a different plane. They're traveling in a different dimension, a different perspective. This could explain why when they exit the portals, they end up at different locations of Tezzer's cubes. The jungle Tezzer's cubes, the desert Tezzer's cube, That could explain why. It's just a mini theory though, but don't quote me on that. But yeah. So where are all the realms located? In reference to myself, because I am referencing myself here, we have Hot Wheels City and the fourth leg of the world race, which is just below the Storm realm. Because look, it's a city. It looks kind of similar. Look at watch my location of Hot Wheels City if you haven't yet, because that video will explain why I think this. But yeah, so here we have our first connection, which explains, how Kadeem got captured and everything. So here we have our first link. Now, our second link is obviously going to be the Ice Realm. The Ice Realm is basically the fourth leg of the world race. It wouldn't be unreasonable for the Accelerons to reuse the racing realms from the legs of the world race. So we have the Ice Realm, which is the fourth leg of the world race. You know what other place has ice? Oh yeah, the Blizzard Realm. The Blizzard Realm has ice. Where would that ice come from? Oh yeah, the Ice Realm and such things like that. So we have yet another connection by maybe not intentional, but yeah, we have yet another connection here. Bang. And bang. So a double-fold connection. So what happens when ice melts? It creates an ocean that we see when Vert is driving to Hot Wheels City. We see that ocean surrounding Hot Wheels City. Where can that extend to? That can extend to the water realm. It's not unreasonable that an ocean is literally the water realm. So by extension, we have around 3 to 4 realms linked already. What makes ice melt? Oh, heat. Heat coming from where? Lava. It's not unreasonable that glaciers melt because of heat from lava, where they collide with each other. And looking at the rock formations of the lava, and whatever the hell, is this coral? I don't think it's coral. It's rock formations from melted lava. I mean, in this theory at least. So, by extension, we have another realm linked. What else has lava, and what else has rocks that look very similar to the lava realms? Oh yeah, the first leg of the world race. So the first leg of the world race is also linked to the lava realm, which is intrinsically linked to other realms. So, with this being said, we have the third leg of the world race. Now look at this dinosaur guy. Look at the dinosaur. Look at the color of the rocks. Look at the color of the rocks. How was it carved? With what rocks? Oh yeah, rocks that look very similar to the first leg of the world race, and rocks that look very similar to the lava realm. So by extension, we have another realm linked. And the third leg of the world race also has these like ancient Acceleron pyramids, something very similar to the ruins realms. So maybe we have another realm linked. And you know what's also similar to the ruins realm aesthetic and overall ancient stuff? Oh yeah, the monument realm. Look at that overall aesthetic. Very yeah. I'm sorry the images are so small. In order for this to work, the images have to be small. But look at this like overall aesthetic, you know? Looks pretty ancient to me. It looks like it's near or could be an extension of the Thrones realm, you know? So maybe we have another link, maybe a double link between the two, maybe not. You know what looks similar to the Monument Realms aesthetic? It's the Swamp Realm aesthetic. Look at the greenish like type of look. If we, you know, greenish type of look. So maybe the Swamp Realm is also near the Monument Realm. It's not unreasonable, at least. So maybe we have another realm linked. Do you know what looks similar to the Swamp Realm? Oh, not the Junkyard Realm. The second leg of the World Race. Because if we look at the World Race comics, there were, in fact, vines that tried to capture our drivers' cars. So maybe that's the monster in the Swamp Realm extending its power to the second leg of the World Race, you know? That's not unreasonable. But, yeah. You know, the second leg of the World Race also has, like, trees, you know? Trees, you say? Oh, yeah. Forest Realm, maybe. Maybe it's the Forest Realm. Damn. So maybe we have another realm linked. Bang! So look at how many realms we've kinda linked together. Okay? But, you know what looks similar to like these rock formations in the second leg of the World Race? Wouldn't you know it, it is not the Junkyard Realm again, although I do need to move it. It looks like the Cliffside Realm's aesthetic. Look at these rocks. Very similar, if I say so myself. So maybe it's just across from each other, you know? Maybe. You know what looks... You know, if you delve into the Cliffside Realm, if you go inside the hill of the Cliffside Realm, do you know what that looks like? I think it looks like the Cavern Realm. I think it looks like the Cavern Realm. Inside the Cliffside Realm, I think it'll be the Cavern Realm. So maybe we have another connection. You know, the Cliffside Realm also has like fog. What looks to be fog. You know, where's that fog? What else is foggy? Oh yeah, the Fog Realm. Bang! Maybe we have another connection. The Fog Realm is where the Cliffside Realm is because of that fog. Huh? Maybe not. But yeah. Where does that fog come from? What happens when what happens when water heats up? That creates fog, right? So maybe that heated up water could come from the Water Realm. So maybe we have another connection. Water Realm and the Fog Realm. You know what else has fog? Oh yeah, the Sky Realm has fog, because that's how clouds are created. Clouds are created from evaporated water, which is fog, creating clouds. So maybe we have yet another connection here. But you know, let's stop talking about all of these connections for now. Let's talk about the Neon Pipeline Realm. That's out in space. You know where else is out in space? The Cosmic Realm. So, Cosmic Realm, Neon Pipeline Realm, they're both out in space, probably both near each other. Maybe the, you know, Solar Flare Realm is as well. Because if we really think about it, the Solar Flare Realm is literally out in space as well. So, maybe we have the Solar Flare Realm out in space near these three guys. So, yeah, we can connect. We could potentially connect all three here. You know what looks similar to the overall aesthetic of the first leg of the World Race and the Lava Realm? That's right, the Junkyard Realm, finally. So maybe these are connected, you know, look at the rocks, you know, look at the overall terrain, maybe that's connected, maybe not. You know what else looks similar to the desert? You know what else looks similar to the desert? Oh yeah. The frickin' Desert Realm looks similar to the desert. Like, what else is there? So maybe we have the Desert Realm. Maybe we have the Desert Realm literally in the third leg of the world race. That would make sense, right? So here we have another connection. And you know what looks similar to the canyons of the desert realm in the third leg of the world race? The canyon realm! Oh my gosh, look at these aesthetics. Look at the overall terrain. Looks very similar, wouldn't you think? So, again, by extension, we probably have a threefold connection here. So maybe all of these are near each other. Anyway, you know what happens in the... I don't know what this realm's called, actually. The Chrome Realm. The Chrome Realm. In the Chrome Realm, it's reflecting a lot of things. Where does that reflect? Where do these reflections come from? Oh yeah, sunlight. So the Chrome Realm has to be somewhere up in the air, which means, since it's in the air, it could be near the Sky Realm. Gosh, damn. Maybe, maybe not. We also have the Micro Realm, in which I have no clue where that would be. We have the Metro Realm, in which I have zero clue where that would be. We also have the Labyrinth Realm, in which, you know, this also looks kind of similar to like the overall Ruins Realm aesthetic and the Monument Realm aesthetic, so I could definitely see that being a double connection here. Now, Reactor Realm, no. There's just literally zero connection here. Like, no, I don't think it's anywhere. We also have the Cybergrid Realm. You know, if we look at the Cybergrid Realm, look, there's like lights. There's like lights everywhere. You know, grids of lights, grids of electricity. You know what that looks awfully similar to? Not only does it look similar to Hot Wheels City, it looks similar to what we see at the start of the Storm Realm. Look at these grids. Maybe that's another connection. Bang. And then finally, last two. Okay, we have two more to go. Lastly, we have the Wind Realm. You know, this is a huge stretch, the Wind Realm at least. So, it could be near the Fog Realm or something like that. Probably not though. But, yeah, maybe the Wind Realm near the Fog Realm. That's a bit of a stretch though. And finally, we have the Warped Realm, in which, yeah, that's just nah. I have no idea. But anyway, whew, this is something. Okay, I've built a network of realms that look similar to each other. You know, I could see this being plausible. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching.